Hi friends, I am Lakshman. In this video we are going to see the model portfolio for Module 18, Understanding Rights, Child Sexual Abuse and the POCSO Act 2012. Friends, before going to watch the model portfolio, if you are not subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon and select all, then you will get the notification directly to your mobile, and do like, share and comment. Now let us see what is the portfolio activity is given. Here portfolio activity is what can you do to prevent child abuse, especially child sexual abuse in your school. Describe any 3 measures that you can take to prevent child sexual abuse. Okay, so here you can see the portfolio activity for the given portfolio activity, that is preventive measures. First one, must have a comprehensive understanding of the POCSO 2012 Act, and as teachers our school parents are many illiterate and partially literate. So we have to take responsibility to bring to the notice of the concerned police officers on behalf of the children who have been sexually abused. And boys and girls spend most of their time in our school. So as teachers, we look at children with the utmost care and courage to identify children who have been sexually abused, and to parents of children inform and bring to the notice of the concerned police officers. The duty, policies and guidelines to be implemented by the POCSO Act have already been sent to the Department of School Education, and such guidelines should be made available to children and parents at school to provide a safe, secure and caring environment conducive to the holistic development of children. And arrange a complaint box in a school. Children who don't want to be told and to be afraid, they have to write a complaint and keep in a complaint box. Public awareness camps should be conducted frequently in schools to respond and complain about gender discrimination and sexual abuse of children. Mention the summary of the study conducted by the Ministry of Women and Child Welfare, Government of India in 2007. According to the study, 52% of boys were also sexually abused. As officers, principals and teachers in the school education system, we all need to have a continuous understanding of how to take self-defense measures in the event of sexual harassment and assault on all children in our school. School teachers and non-teaching staff should be involved in these awareness programs. Therefore, child care policy should be formulated and implemented effectively in every school. We have already been educating adolescent boys and girls in school for many years about health and hygiene habits and taking proper precautions to prevent them from falling ill. We have also set up a karate, that means self-care education for boys and girls for self-care. These enables students to empower themselves to effectively prevent bad behaviors such as sexual harassment. Street plays, poster making, competitions, discussions should be held continuously to promote gender equality in children and prevent sexual abuse of the children. In addition to handling all of the above, all children in the school should be told how to protect themselves in the event of sexual harassment, as well as how to comply to the authorities and whose help to seek in this case. Children are making extensive use of the internet for learning. Online lessons in a pandemic virus like corona has become major threat to humanity. So we need to take proper care not to view pornographic blueprints that affect the mind of children for the sake of online safety, in this case students, adolescent children. Teachers are the ones who have the most confidence in the children. So as teachers, we need to instill confidence in the children and encourage them to speak fearlessly if they bring to the notice of the teachers about the sexual harassment that has happened to them. If necessary, counseling should be arranged for those children through expert counselors who will provide emotional support to children who have been abused by these actions. As soon as we become aware of the issue of the child abuse, we should immediately lodge a complaint with the concerned officer for further action as per the clauses in the POCSO Act. Friends, this is the model portfolio for the module 18. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon and select all, then you will get the notifications directly to your mobile, and do like, share and comment. Thank you.